I have this special egg recipe to share with you today. Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. Today is your first time coming across the channel you are watching Lady Big Kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm super excited to be sharing with you one of the special way to make your egg sauce. Making this egg sauce recipe, guys, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be needing. All the ingredients is here. I'm going to leave all the names of the ingredients I use in my description box. So this is all the ingredients I use. I have some egg, I have tomato, onions, hot pepper, green pepper, carrot. For the seasoning, I have some onions powder, salt, and I have a special seasoning that I'm going to be using for this recipe. Over here I have my maggi masala v magic. So guys, I really love this seasoning. It's sweet, and the outcome of this seasoning after using it to cook food is just something else. So I really love it, and that's why I'm going to be using it for this video. Over here I have no maggi, but I'm not going to be using it. Next to be doing is to prepare all the veggies. So I'm going to prepare all the veggies, just chop it in the size that I want to use it on this recipe. So I'm just going to slice and prepare all the veggies before I dive into the cooking. After preparing the pepper and the carrot, so this is what I have. All I will do is to keep it aside, then prepare the tomato and onions. For the tomatoes, guys, I'm going to divide it into two sides. Then after doing that, I'm going to get rid of the seed. So taking out the seed of the tomato, it will make your recipe look so special and look so nice after making, because this seed of tomato, you always come with sour, but when you take it out from especially this kind of recipe, it just is frying something, you are not cooking stew here. So taking it out is going to make your food look so nice and look so beautiful. So I'm going to get rid of this seed. Then after that, I'm going to chop it in a little biteable size. it's time to prepare the egg sauce recipe. So over here I have my frying pan. All I will do is to add in a little bit of oil that will enable me to fry this sauce. Then after the oil has hot for 2 seconds, then I will add in my chopped onions, then stir fry. Stir frying these onions is very important at this first step, guys, for you to have that your beautiful egg sauce flavor you are looking for. I'm going to stir fry this for 5 minutes before adding the next ingredients. At this point, I'm going to be adding the seasoning cube. I'm using 2 packs, but first I will add the 1 pack. Then add in onions powder and salt to taste. Then keep on stir frying. Adding the seasonings during this time of frying the onions, guys, it's going to take this your recipe to another level you don't even expect. It's going to give it a nice and lovely flavor. So I will just give that 3 minutes to sip together, and after that I will add in the chopped tomato and keep on stir frying. After giving it that beautiful stir, I will cover this for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, I open. This is what I have. After 3 minutes, this is what I have. Just looking so beautiful at this point. Next thing for me to do is to add in the remaining seasoning. So this is the second pack of the seasoning because I used 2 packs for this video. So I will add it, then stir fry together and add in the carrot. So next to add is the carrot. I will add the carrot, then add in the green bell pepper. So I use 2 types of green bell pepper. So this green one is what I will be adding. Then the other one I'm not adding it now. Then I will just stir this together. Then after doing that, I will cover again for another 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, I come to check on it. This is what we have, guys. Just look how this is pumping. Then I will stir. So at this point, it's ready for us to add in the. Now it's time for us to add in the egg. So all the egg I'm going to be using is ready. Now I'm just going to be breaking it inside the sauce, one after the other. The first time I make this egg sauce recipe, guys, I couldn't get enough of it. It's just so delicious. I was like, the next day I have to make it again. So I really love it. I really love the outcome, and the way it come out is so delicious and amazing. So I like to make my egg sauce recipe like this. Now I will be adding the green bell pepper, then cover this to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. 6 minutes later, pumping already. All I will still do is to add in the remaining green pepper, then still cover. Now I will be breaking the yolks one after the other, just easy like this. I will not just overstir, just break the yolk, not yeast. Then I will just break the yolk, then I will cover again for everything to get cooked. Cooking, guys, this is what we have. At this point our egg is cooked and is fried and it's ready to serve. I'll just give it that gentle stir. Some case you can scatter the curd, but for me I prefer leaving it like this, because following this process is for me to achieve something like this. So now that I have it, I cannot just come and scatter it, guys. So I just like to eat it like this, and I love seeing it like this. So now it's ready. I'm going to keep it aside. Then I'm going to be enjoying this sauce with white rice. So let's prepare the white rice. Over here I have my already washed rice. I'm just going to add it inside the hot water, then season with salt and oil. I always cook my rice with oil, guys. I've already explained that in my previous video. So I will just add in salt to taste, then sprinkle a little bit of this oil, then cover this rice to cook for 20 minutes until it's well cooked and ready to eat. And if you want to know the purpose of me always adding oil in my white rice, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to give you all the details. Now the rice is ready, guys. Our table is served, and this is what we have after cooking. My people, just tell me that you are having next occasion, you are having next get together, and you are not going to prepare this for your guests. You really need to prepare this for them. It's just so delicious. This is just so delicious. Find your egg recipe like this, my people. I just enjoy it, and the outcome is so amazing. And one of the ingredients I use, this maggi I use to season this, wow, it brings this recipe to the level I can't even explain. So guys, we are done for this recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, guys, and you are going to give it a try, I want to be seeing your comments in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Stay safe and bye bye. Share.